video, I'm going to show you how to launch a completely new sending domain using AI traffic control in Tiny Email. If you're starting with a brand new domain, inbox providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and other major inbox providers do not know you yet. You can't send large volumes on day one, or you risk hurting your reputation. AI traffic control warms up your new domain for you so you can build trust safely and automatically. First, go to the AI traffic control tab in the top navigation. Because this is a brand new domain, this view will start out empty. As AI traffic control begins warming the domain, you'll start to see your provider traffic and open rate history appear here over time. In the top right corner, click on the green Activate AI Traffic Control button. A window called Grow Your Audience appears with two options: import new subscribers and re-engage subscribers. Because we're launching a brand new domain, click on Import New Subscribers. Next, you'll select the audiences to import screen. Use the list or the search bar to find the audiences you want to warm up on this new domain. You can select one audience or multiple audiences using the checkboxes on the right. When you're done, click Confirm in the bottom right corner. You'll now be on the Create AI Traffic Control screen. In the Active Segment section, choose Opened in the last X days and set the number of days you want the AI to use. In this example, we'll set it to 7 days, but you can choose the range that fits your warm-up strategy. Because this is a brand new domain, you'll also see Select a Sender to apply traffic shaping. Open the drop-down and choose the new sending address or domain you want to warm up. In the Setup section, give it a simple name like Warmup. For warmup type, select brand new domain from the drop-down. With this warmup type, AI traffic control starts with low daily volumes, usually around 100 to 500 emails per day, and gradually ramps up as engagement improves. Below that, you'll see volume distribution sliders for Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, Apple, and other providers. You can leave them balanced or adjust them if you want more control. When everything looks good, click Save. Now that your AI traffic control is set up for this new domain, you'll need to add it to a campaign so it can start working. During the campaign creation, when you reach the Select Your Audience screen, click the AI Traffic Control tab at the top. Then click on the checkbox next to the AI Traffic Control we set up in the previous step. Don't forget to save your changes or finish the campaign schedule. Once you do that, AI Traffic Control is in charge and ready to serve. To avoid doing this every time you schedule a campaign, you can clone a previous campaign that's already assigned to use the AI traffic control. When you clone it, it keeps all pre-selected audiences and AI traffic control settings. After saving, you'll return to the AI traffic control page. Under AI traffic controls, you'll see your new setup listed under its name, start date, and status. As your campaigns go out, the charts on this page will begin to show how your warm-up process is across each provider. From there, AI traffic control checks your open rates, your clicks, and spam signals every day, and it automatically increases or slows down your sending to keep your new domain safe and growing. And that's how you launch a brand new sending domain using AI traffic control and Tiny Email. If you want to see this in action, you can sign up and try Tiny Email for free using the link in description, and we'll catch you next time.